Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the art materials needed for the fashion illustration. These all materials are budget friendly and for the beginners. First, we have A3 sheets. To draw your 10 head and 12 head croquis, you will need these sheets. Next, we have Xerox paper or A4 sheets. To do your practice sessions, you can purchase these sheets. Next, you will need sketchbooks. To draw your final illustration, you will need sketchbook. I have this one in A4 size. You can purchase any kind of sketchbooks from A3 to A4 sizes with the GSM of 140, 150 up to 300. As this paper will hold any color for your illustration like watercolor, alcohol markers, poster color, etc. I used this sketchbook to draw my final illustrations. Next, you will need pencils. To draw your illustrations, you can purchase any mechanical lead pencils or any graphite pencils. I have lead pencil in 0.5 and 0.7 mm and graphite pencil with the shade H and HB, as it will be easier for you to draw your illustrations with lightest shade. Next one, you have regular erasers. You can purchase it from any brand. Next, it is kneaded eraser. It is very useful for a fashion illustration as it won't create any dust. It has a clay-like structure and it will remove only unnecessary line. Next up, you have cutter to sharpen your pencils. Next one, you will need scales. You can purchase both a small one and large one with the 30 centimeters, as it will help you to draw your 10 head and 12 head croquis. Next up, you have watercolor pencils. These pencils are very useful for beginners. These pencils are very versatile. You can use these pencils as a pencil colors and as a watercolors too. I have purchased it from brand Staedtlers. You can go with any brand like Staedtlers, Faber-Castell, Doms, etc. Here you can see I have sprayed water with the brush on that color swatches and it will turn out as a watercolor base. Next up, you have pencil colors. To give any detailings or shading to your illustration, you can use pencil colors. Next up, you have poster colors. I have these colors from brand Kaale. I have all these bottles in loose colors as I want more shades. You can purchase it in set of 6 or more. Next up, you have watercolors. As there is a difference between poster color and watercolor. Poster colors are opaque and watercolors are more transparent or translucent. Here I have two types of watercolor, one in the cake form and another in a tube form. Next up, you have alcohol markers. To draw your base for illustration, you can use these markers. Now these markers have two tips. To draw smaller one, you can use fine tips, and to draw any broader area, you can use broad tip. Instead of using alcohol markers, you can go with brush pens or even connector pens. I have these markers from Touch Cool brand. Next, glass markings. To give any highlight or to blend your colors, you can use these pencils. Next up are detailing pens. To give detailings to your face, any intricate part, any detailing of embroidery designing, you can use these pens. I have this micron pen in black color too to give to do detailings of your face like eyes, nose, lips, etc. Next up is charcoal pencils. To give depth for your garment, any dark shade, you can use these pencils. Next, I have white gel pen in the brand Uniball. You can use this gel pen to highlight your designing like details of embroidery, any skin part or any other thing. Next, we have blending stumps to blend your pencil colors. Next are the color palettes. To mixing of your colors for your watercolor, poster color, you can purchase these palettes. Last but not least, we have brushes. Now to color your illustration, you will need some brushes. You can purchase it from 000, 001 up to 4, 6, 8 brush size. That's all about the art materials. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.